A sea of red. Well, so I just spent 8 hours in a workshop changing the plugs on a GTR 1400. 8 bloody hours. Dear Mr. Kawasaki, your design flaw is bloody ridiculous. The amount of crap I had to take off this bike, I say I, the mechanic and I, mainly the mechanic, I'm using the Royal Eye. Is there a Royal Eye? Don't know. Just to get the plugs is horrendous. Anyway, what was happening? It was coughing and spluttering and everything else as we were going along. Normally sort of low revs. Typical when you go into a workshop to find something else wrong with it. The cam cover gasket was ever so slightly weeping. Come on, then get out the bloody way. Ever so slightly weeping. And it was just misting. I use that term misting. Like trying to make out it's not a lot of oil. Misting. Onto the cam cover pickup, which regulates the some bits and pieces. Hello there. So hopefully 260 odd quid later it's sorted. It seems to be alright for the time being. It normally would have started playing up by now. There we go. Oh dear, don't want to do that. Hello there, Mr. Policeman. Ugh, what a lovely day. Ugh, blah, 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 blah. Unfortunately, when I left this morning, I put my tinted visor on. Didn't think it was going to take me that long. So I've now got a black, a tinted visor. So I'm having to duck down behind the screen so the wind goes over the top of me. So there you go. So I'll just be tootling home in lane 1 because at the moment it feels like somebody's sticking knitting needles in my eyes, which is always a nice feeling. Anyway, back to the plug story. Apparently the plugs weren't knackered, but they could have been changed when he took them out. Done 21,000 on the bike. It shouldn't be playing to 29,000, so it's probably all the making progress abroad. Maybe that's buggered them, but at the moment the bike seems to be running okay, which is always a good thing. Yay! So a big shout out then to old Paddy at Bikes of Brighton, very knowledgeable. The little bike shop's been there 35 years. I prefer to go there than any of the dealers because Paddy knows exactly what he's doing. I mean, what the bloke doesn't know is not worth knowing. Yeah. Bikes of Brighton have worked on all my bikes since I came to Brighton 20 odd years ago, and I would highly recommend them for anybody in the southeast. Book it in though, because he's a busy boy. So I'm just going to sit in the sea of red. Haven't got too far to go. Got 4 hours sleep last night, so I'm a bit jaded. Oh, here we go again. A Bentley GT Continental. Nice.
It's on days like these that I remember singing songs and drinking wine while your eyes played games with mine. On days like these I wonder what became of you.